Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica LX. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black, it looks great. You do have the Chrysler badging up front there, as well as your halogen headlights right there. And coming all the way around to the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Como brand tires. Look great, lots of tread left on them. Keep you good for a while. You do have heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have our Chrysler and Pacifica badging. We can open this guy up right here. Looks great back here, lots of storage. You got some extra storage here and here as well. They are the folding seats, so all you gotta do is follow the instructions. Just one, that one, and then you just pull this guy here and it folds right into the floor just like that. You can do the same with that guy as well, and you got lots and lots of room back here. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and you do have your panic button down there. It does also have the proximity keyless entry, so you just, as long as you have the key on your person, put your hands in there, it will unlock for you. Now on the door here, you do have electronic mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Handle here, another handle here, some storage here and down here. Looks great in here, very comfortable as well, very nice seats. You do have the electronic control down here, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support. And then over here you do have the controls over the lights, so your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control there. You also have your turning signals and your high beams right there. Keys are in the cup holder. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. You also have your speedometer right in the middle there with which way we're facing, what gear we're in, how many kilometers, and the temperature outside. Now we can switch it around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip info, stop start, audio, messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. And right there we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. Around the back of the steering wheel we do a volume up and down button, as well as a source changer as well. And then in the center you do have your touch screen display here, so you do have your AM and FM, as well as your media tabs if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You also have your phone options if you have one hooked up to your Bluetooth, your compass. You got your climate control there, and your more right there. Down here we do have our gear shift, so you just put your foot on the brake, turn it, just like that. Electronic parking brake, you have your volume up and down, your stop start, screen off. You also have your hazard lights, back button, and your traction control. Browsers over here, you do have your AC, circulation, heat up and down, off. You also have your mode and your power selector. Then you do have your front and rear defrost there. Down here we do have some storage with an aux cord and USB plug-in. Press that guy. A little bit of storage just in there. Got some more storage down there, as well as your cup holders right here. And over here we do have our locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Always nice. And then up top here you do have some lights, as well as your sunglass holder right there. Let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. Lots and lots of room back here. Looks great. Very comfortable seats. Very, very nice. Now you do have these seats do fold forward in the front as well. Just gotta lift this guy up like this. Then you gotta just fold with this one right here, and it folds into the floor just like that. And then you can fold this back over top just like that. Looks great. You got even more room. You can do it with all the seats, and you got tons and tons of room. You do also have some cup holders back here, and it does seat 7 people all together. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica LX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.